Have you always wondered what virtual assistant skills you can start with? You may be seeing tons of ads sharing with you different virtual assistant skills that can help you start your virtual assistant journey. Web design, graphic design, video editing, copywriting, social media. But you feel overwhelmed because you feel like there's so much to learn about, and you no longer have the bandwidth to learn something entirely new to you. Guess what? You may start with the basic ones. So in this episode, I'll share with you 3 virtual assistant skills that you can start learning, developing, improving, so you can finally take that one step forward. Hey everyone, it's me, Coach Z, and I help aspiring virtual assistants to identify their key services and soulmate clients so they can start and grow their virtual assistant business. And in this channel, I share Upwork tips, social media hacks, virtual assistant tutorials, content management related topics, and everything remote work. If this is the first time you're seeing my video, please hit that subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell so you'd get notified whenever I drop an episode. And if you have been with me for a while, thank you and welcome back. I'm happy to have you here. So today, I'll share with you 3 virtual assistant skills for beginners so you can finally jumpstart your virtual assistant journey. Let's dive in. Skill number 1, web research. Research is one vital aspect of any business, whether offline or online. So this would mean that most clients would like to get help in doing research even outside their business. Clients would like to save time scrolling through the internet to get answers. So this is one virtual assistant skill that you can start with. Research helps people decide which direction should they go to. So if they get the best answers, then they would also be able to make the best decisions. Almost anyone can Google, but only select few people can sort through the massive amount of information available online. Now, allow me to share with you how to do internet research efficiently and effectively. Tip number 1, make sure to create a list of your keywords before you do your research. Take time to clearly define your primary keywords. For example, virtual assistant is your primary keyword. So you can expand that keyword into, let's say, virtual assistant services, virtual assistant in the Philippines, virtual assistant near Philippines, or virtual assistant for hire. So make sure to write down all your keywords before Googling. This way, you'd be efficient and you'd be able to put your focus and your attention to the keywords on your list. Another tip is to make use of some tricks to narrow down your search. For example, enclose your keywords with quotation marks, or add a hyphen or dash in between some keywords. For example, virtual assistant dash Philippines. Tip number 3 is to skim through the search results. To save time, make sure to read through the first few lines that you see below the title of the pages in the search results. This is what most people call meta description, or a preview of what the article or what the website is all about. This way, you don't have to click all the pages that you see in the search results. Try to also check the pages with URLs ending in .gov, .edu, .org because they are more reliable. But if you are looking for companies, if you are looking for service providers, or if you are looking for opinionated articles, then those URLs ending in .com won't hurt. Next tip is, of course, to bookmark and save all those pages, all those sites where you found some answers to what you're looking for, so that you can get back to them and review them for your final search output. And of course, tip number 5 when it comes to doing research is to review and present. Go back to those sites that you saved and bookmarked, review them, read through them, and pull those relevant and important points that you need for your research. Once done, put them in a Google Doc or a spreadsheet and make sure to include the links to your sources. And boom, you can then share to your client. Okay, virtual assistant skill number 2, email management or email handling. All clients have emails and they'd like to get help in organizing their emails to avoid eyesore. They'd only want to see the most important and urgent emails to save time. So here are some tips for you. Number 1, learn how to remove or archive unwanted messages like promotional emails. This can be done by either moving the email to another tab or category or setting it automatically to skip the inbox. Number 2, unsubscribe from irrelevant email campaigns. Number 3, label them. For example, important, urgent, in progress. Number 4, create email folders for easier access and navigation. Number 5, set a fixed time to read and sort through the emails. Those are some tips I have for you to get started when it comes to email handling or email management. So I suggest you start doing your research and start implementing or applying them to your own email so you can get a good hang of it and you can offer it to future clients when you're ready. So before we head on to virtual assistant skill number 3, please let me know if you're enjoying this episode, if you are getting value from this episode, and if you are getting more motivated to push through your virtual assistant career. Okay, if you're loving this, please drop the word gold in the comments and please hit that like button because YouTube really loves it. Virtual assistant skill number 3 is non-voice chat or customer support. Most clients need help in providing customer support. So if you are comfortable in answering queries and sometimes handling complaints, then this is one skill that you may want to start with. To be effective in this role, you need to understand, you need to know the ins and outs of your client's business so you can provide the best answers and solutions to their customers. For you to develop this skill, you need to improve your communication skills, you need to develop empathy, you need to improve decision making, and have the heart to genuinely help and improve customer experience. So to recap, the 3 virtual assistant skills for beginners are web research, email handling, and customer support. If you need more guidance in your virtual assistant journey, I have my free virtual assistant roadmap that you can grab anytime you want. I'll drop the link in the description below. So that's what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. Till next episode. Most clients need help in providing customer support. So to recap the 3 virtual assistant skills for if you need more guidance on how to if you need more if you need more guidance and roadmap. So that's what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned a lot. And so please